just like the full-bodied red wine that we love so much. That's the Cabernet. Come on into this beautiful double living room with lovely seating area here, and then here is a super modern kitchen. We've just remodeled it, and dining room. Of course, the pièce de résistance, which is the high note, like a great wine, is this. Your full-on view of the Eiffel Tower. Come on back to the bedroom. On the quiet inner courtyard, and the apartment is fully air conditioned, which is a rarity in Paris. The main bathroom is right here with an overhead shower, lots of storage with built-in cupboards. And of course, we try to think of everything, which is this Mayan sofa from Italy, which actually easily slips out and turns into two single beds at night. What makes this apartment special isn't just the view or the comfort or the location, it's also the fact that we have second bathroom. So there's plenty of room for a family or friends to come and stay. It's one of the gems of Paris Perfect, and I hope you'll stay here.